Welcome back, everyone. It's me, and today we gonna be taking a look at for surprising facts about ducks that you probably didn't know. So without further ado, let's get right into it. No. 1. Male ducks typically have a much shorter lifespan than female ducks. In the wild, male ducks only live for around 5 to 7 years, whereas females can live up to 10 years or even longer. The reason for this is thought to be because males are more prone to risky behaviors, such as engaging in more fights with other males and being more active during mating season. This makes them more susceptible to injury or death by a predator. In contrast, females are generally less aggressive and more cautious, which may explain why they tend to live longer. Additionally, females may also benefit from post-mating parental care, which can provide them with a survival advantage. However, it is worth noting that some duck species have a more even distribution of risk between males and females, leading to similar lifespans for both sexes. Overall, while there are exceptions, it's generally true that male ducks have a shorter lifespan than females. Number 2. Ducks can inherit their mate's preference. In a study conducted by the University of Zurich, researchers found that domestic ducks can inherit their mate's preference. The study, which was published in the journal Animal Behavior, investigated whether domestic ducks could inherit their parents' mate preferences. The researchers hypothesized that if the ducks could inherit their parents' mate preferences, then offspring of preferred mates would be more likely to be chosen as mates themselves. To test this hypothesis, the researchers mated ducks with different beak sizes and colors and then observed the mate preferences of their offspring. They found that the offspring of larger-beaked ducks were more likely to have larger beaks themselves, suggesting that beak size can be inherited and influence mate choice. Similarly, the offspring of colorful ducks were more likely to be chosen as mates if they had colorful beaks. These findings suggest that mate choice in ducks can be influenced by genetic factors, and that preference for certain traits in mates can be passed down from parents to offspring. This has implications for our understanding of how mate, choice, and genetic inheritance interact to shape the evolution of animal populations. No. 3. A group of female ducks will sometimes forcibly remove a male duck from the group so that he cannot mate with them. This behavior, known as same-sex sexual aggression, has been observed in several species of ducks, including mallards and spot-billed ducks. The reasons behind this behavior are still not fully understood, but it is thought to be related to the avoidance of forced mating and the protection of genetic fitness. By excluding a male from the group, the females can ensure that they will not be forcibly mated with, and that any offspring they produce will be the result of their choice. This behavior has also been observed in other animals, such as where females will sometimes isolate a male from the group in order to prevent him from mating with them. This behavior is thought to be an extreme example of female choice and a way for females to exert control over their reproductive rights. And no. 4. A mother duck will sometimes kill her sons if she has too many mouths to feed. In extreme cases, a mother duck may resort to killing her own sons in order to ensure the survival of her remaining ducklings. This behavior is known as siblicide and has been observed in several species of ducks, including the red-crested poachard. When food is scarce, a mother duck may decide that she cannot feed all of her offspring and will kill some of them in order to prioritize the remaining ducklings. This behavior is often seen in birds that lay large clutches of eggs, such as ducks, and is thought to be an adaptation to ensure the survival of at least some of the offspring when resources are limited. By killing some of her sons, the mother duck can ensure that her daughters, who are generally more valuable as mates, will have a better chance of survival and reproduction. This behavior is not limited to ducks, however, and has also been observed in other species of birds as well as in mammals. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See ya!